Halo Sobat Bola 80-an, kembali lagi dengan kami di topik Ulasan Bola.
Kami bertanya ke ChatGPT siapa saja 5 pemain terbaik AS Roma sepanjang masa. Sebelum kita mulai, berikut ini adalah profil singkat dari klub AS Roma. AS Roma atau Associazione Sportiva Roma adalah salah satu klub sepak bola bersejarah dan dicintai di Italia. Berbasis di ibu kota Italia, Roma, klub ini didirikan pada 7 Juni 1927 oleh Italo Foschi, dan telah menjadi bagian integral dari budaya dan identitas kota tersebut sejak saat itu. Logo AS Roma menggambarkan lambang kota Roma, yang dikenal sebagai Lupa Capitolina, atau Wall Capitoline, dalam bahasa Italia. Lupa Capitolina adalah patung dari mitologi Romawi yang menggambarkan seorang serigala menyusui dua anak manusia, Romulus dan Remus. Menurut legenda, mereka adalah pendiri kota Roma. Klub ini dikenal karena warna merah keemasan yang menjadi identitasnya, serta julukan I Giallo Rossi, atau Sang Merah Kuning. AS Roma memainkan pertandingan kandangnya di Stadion Olimpico, yang juga menjadi stadion kandangnya klub SS Lazio, rival satu kota AS Roma. AS Roma juga terkenal dengan basis pendukungnya yang fanatik, yang dikenal sebagai Romanisti. Mereka memberikan dukungan tak tergoyahkan kepada klub mereka, menciptakan atmosfer yang luar biasa di Stadion Olimpico setiap pertandingan. AS Roma juga dikenal karena menghasilkan beberapa pemain terbaik di dunia, seperti Francesco Totti, Giuseppe Giannini, Bruno Conti, Aldair, dan Daniel De Rossi yang telah meninggalkan jejak mereka dalam sejarah klub dan sepak bola Italia secara keseluruhan. Berikut ini adalah profil dari kelima pemain tersebut pilihan dari ChatGPT yang dianggap sebagai pemain terbaik sepanjang masa dari AS Roma. Pertama, Francesco Totti, mantan pemain internasional Italia ini adalah pencetak gol terbanyak sepanjang masa untuk klub dan dianggap sebagai salah satu pemain terbaik dalam sejarah Serie A. Totti lahir di Roma, Italia pada tanggal 27 September 1976, merupakan salah satu ikon terbesar dan seorang legenda dalam sejarah AS Roma. Totti bergabung dengan AS Roma pada usia 13 tahun dan terus bermain untuk klub itu sepanjang karirnya. Debutnya untuk tim senior AS Roma terjadi pada tahun 1993, ketika ia masih berusia 16 tahun. Totti menjadi kapten tim Roma pada tahun 1998, dan dia memegang peran tersebut hingga masa pensiunnya. Selama lebih dari 2 dekade bersama Roma, Totti memainkan 783 penampilan dan mencetak 307 gol untuk klub. Membuatnya menjadi pemain dengan penampilan terbanyak sekaligus sebagai pencetak gol terbanyak dalam sejarah Roma hingga saat ini. Puncak karirnya bersama klub adalah ketika dia memimpin Roma meraih gelar Serie A pada musim 2000-2001. Menjadi gelar Liga pertama Roma dalam 18 tahun, Totti meraih berbagai penghargaan individu selama karirnya, termasuk Golden Foot pada tahun 2010 dan UEFA President's Award pada tahun 2017. Pencetak gol terbanyak Serie A pada tahun 2007 dan 2010, dan juga memenangkan penghargaan pemain terbaik Italia Serie A pada tahun 2000 dan 2003. Francesco Totti mengumumkan pensiunnya dari sepak bola profesional pada tahun 2017 setelah 25 tahun bersama AS Roma. Setelah pensiun, dia tetap terlibat dengan klub, memegang peran sebagai direktur teknik di Roma, sebelum akhirnya mengundurkan diri pada tahun 2019. Selama karirnya di klub, Totti telah menjadi simbol dan ikon bagi pendukung AS Roma dan sepak bola Italia secara keseluruhan, dengan warisan karir yang tak terlupakan.
Secondly, Giuseppe Giannini. An Italian player with the title Il Principe, or the Prince. He has been one of AS Roma's symbols for many years. He was born on August 20, 1964, in Rome, Italy. Giannini was a midfielder known for his outstanding creativity, brilliant game vision, and remarkable technical skills. He began his professional career at AS Roma in 1981 and remained loyal to the club until his retirement. Giannini is a perfect example of a local player who became a symbol of his club. He spent 16 seasons with AS Roma, becoming the player with the most appearances in the club's history with a total of 437 matches. Until this record was broken by Francesco Totti. During this period, Giannini played a crucial role in the club's success, helping AS Roma win the Scudetto title in the 1982-1983 season and 3 Coppa Italia titles during the 80s and early 90s. After retiring as a player, Giannini remained involved in the world of football, particularly with AS Roma, where he worked in various roles, including coaching the youth team and serving as an assistant coach for the senior team. His presence in the club continues to be an important part of AS Roma's history and culture. Thirdly, Bruno Conti. Bruno Conti is one of the greatest icons in the history of AS Roma, born on March 13, 1955, in Nettuno, Italy. He was known as one of Italy's finest wingers in his time. Conti joined AS Roma in 1973 and quickly emerged as a talented player. He possessed extraordinary dribbling technique, speed, and the ability to create goal-scoring opportunities for his teammates. His primary role was as a right winger, where he often posed a significant threat to opposing defenses. Conti's career at AS Roma was marked by numerous successes. He helped the club secure the Scudetto in the 1982-1983 season. During that season, Conti shone brightly and was a key pillar in the team that clinched the championship title. He also aided AS Roma in reaching the UEFA Champions League final in 1984, although the team ultimately lost to Liverpool via a penalty shootout. After retiring as a player, Conti remained involved with AS Roma, both as a coach and in other management roles. He was also honored by being inducted into the AS Roma Hall of Fame, a recognition of his extraordinary contributions to the club. Fourth, Aldair Nascimento dos Santos is a Brazilian central defender born on November 30, 1965, in Ilhéus, Brazil. He was known for his physical strength, courage in aerial duels, and his ability to read the game well. Aldair began his career at the Brazilian club Flamengo before eventually moving to Europe to join AS Roma in 1990. At AS Roma, Aldair quickly became one of the key players on the team. He played with high consistency and proved himself to be one of the best defenders in Italy and Europe. Aldair defended AS Roma's colors for 13 years, from 1990 to 2003, making him one of the longest-serving players in the club's history. During his time at AS Roma, Aldair experienced various successes, including winning the Serie A title in the 2000-2001 season. Under coach Fabio Capello, Aldair's retirement from professional football did not diminish his influence at AS Roma. He is still honored as one of the club's legends and remains one of the most remembered and respected players by AS Roma supporters, due to his extraordinary dedication over the years. Fifth, De Rossi. Daniele De Rossi is a tough and dedicated Italian central midfielder. Born on July 24, 1983, in Rome, Italy, he is one of the most respected, iconic players among AS Roma supporters due to his incredible loyalty to the club. De Rossi joined the AS Roma Academy at the age of 16 and made his professional debut for the first team in 2001. Quickly becoming one of the key players in the Roma squad. De Rossi's career at AS Roma was marked by loyalty, dedication, and consistently high performance. He had outstanding tactical abilities, strength in duels, good game vision, and the capability to score from long distances. Over more than a decade at AS Roma, De Rossi won 1 Scudetto, 2 Coppa Italia titles, and 1 Supercoppa Italiana. De Rossi was known as one of the best midfielders in Italy and even the world. While playing for AS Roma, De Rossi made a total of 616 appearances and scored 63 goals in all competitions. He succeeded Francesco Totti as the club captain and became an icon for Roma supporters. De Rossi left AS Roma in the summer of 2019 after more than 18 years at the club, following the management's decision not to extend his contract. Despite leaving Roma, his legacy at the club will always be remembered by Roma fans and Italian football as a whole. Here's our review of the top 5 AS Roma players of all time, chosen by ChatGPT. What do you think, 80s football friends? Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you in the next videos.